Right, so in this video we are looking to expand products, and when I say products I mean things that are in brackets and they're multiplied together because we're working with indices. So here's your example. You've got a times b to the power of x, but the a times b is in the brackets there. Right, so let's start out with a number example firstly. So if I just gave you that 3 times 5 all squared, we could work that out with a calculator. Alright, so if we said that we are going to square this whole thing, we would have to do that bit first. We'd have to say what's 3 times 5, we know it's 15, and then we would have to square the 15. And when you get your calculator out and you do that, when you square 15 you get 225. Now the other way you can do these is if you said that you've got your 3 and you've got your 5. Now an index law says that if you apply this power to the whole bracket, you can actually apply it individually to all of the terms inside the bracket. So what we would look at there is 3 squared times 5 squared. And you can see we've applied the power to the 3 and the power to the 5. 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. And funnily enough, if you times 9 by 25, you actually get the same answer. So what we're looking at here is a rule that says if we've got a times b all to the power of x, then when you expand that out and apply the power to everything, you have a to the power of x times b to the power of x. So this is our expanding products rule, and that's our important rule for this lesson. Alright, let's give you this one here. We'll go with some letters this time, just nice, simple, easy ones. M and N, and that's all going to be to the power of 4. Now if we have to expand the brackets, we need to apply this power to everything in the brackets, which means we're going to be looking at m to the power of 4 times n to the power of 4. Nice, simple one. This time, however, we are going to use numbers. So I'm going to say 3a all squared. And we have to apply this to the number and this to the letter. So we're going to end up with 3 squared times a squared. And we actually can do this one. We don't need to leave it as this. We can continue until we get one number. So 3 squared is 9, and then we have a squared left how it was. So we can get right down to that there. The next one is when we start to combine some rules. So if I had a squared and b squared inside of our brackets and we had 4 as our power this time, we need to apply this power to this term and this power to this term. So if I was having to apply that power to something that already has a power, we need to apply a different rule as well. This time we've got brackets and we are working with the power of a power law. So a squared in brackets to the power of 4 is actually equal to a to the power of 2 times 4. And we are multiplying it by b to the power of 2 times 4 as well. So a to the power of 8 times b to the power of 8. We are going to start seeing lots more mixing of these rules. Remember, this is the power of a power. Okay?